Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. Today's video is going to be really very special because in this video, we are going to talk about 25 daily routine words. And yes, we are going to cover T sound. We have already discussed about the T sound in the previous videos, but we had some limited vocabulary. But today, I have collected 25 daily routine words that I am going to describe in Indian and American sound. So without getting late, let's jump on the screen and we check out those 25 words starting with T sound. Before we start, let me tell you how to pronounce in India and America. So in American sound, we say T, like a tiger, a tomato. And in India, we say T, the strong T, retrospective T sound is there. So how to pronounce? Like when you say T in American accent, you say T, 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 the blow of air getting downside, T. But when you say in India, you say T, T. You fold your tongue, you can see T, and strongly you push your tongue towards your upper teeth and you make a sound like a T, T. How it works, we are going over the screen and see how to pronounce Indian vocabulary with T sound. So here you can see over the screen, we have a slide called Mastering Indian English Sounds, and we have got T sound. So we have some vocabulary, 25 words we have, and one by one we are going with some examples. The first we have is time. In India, we say time, time. Time is important for every student. Time, time is important for every student. Let's go for the next sound. Table. We say table. The books are on the table. But in India, we say table. Table. The books are on the table. The next we have is travel. Many students travel for higher studies. In India, we say travel. Travel. Many students travel for higher studies. The next word we have is town. Town. This town is very clean and quiet. Town. This town is very clean and quiet. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Teacher. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Talent. She showed her talent on the school stage. Talent. She showed her talent on the school stage. Touch. Please do not touch the glass. Touch. Please do not touch the glass. Target. Our target is to improve English speaking. Target. Our target is to improve English speaking. Tunnel. The train passed through a long tunnel. Tunnel. The train passed through a long tunnel. Tomato. Oh, tomato. I bought fresh tomato from the market. Tomato. I bought fresh tomato from the market. Ticket. Ticket. He forgot to bring his tickets. Ticket. Ticket. He forgot to bring his tickets. Thunder. Thunder. We heard loud thunder last night. Thunder. We heard loud thunder last night. Travel. They travel often for work. Travel. They often travel for work. They travel often for work. Train. The train arrived on time. Train. The train arrived on time. Today. Today we will practice pronunciation. Today. Today we will practice pronunciation. Tradition. This tradition is followed by many families. Tradition. This tradition is followed by many families. Tackle. We must tackle this problem together. Tackle. We must tackle this problem together. Texture. The texture of the cloth is very soft. Texture. The texture of the cloth is very soft. Territory. This area is protected territory. Territory. This area is protected territory. Trailer. The trailer goes viral in few minutes. Trailer. The trailer goes viral in few minutes. Trim. Finishing the project was really a trim. Triumph. Finishing the project was a real triumph. Tropical. She loves tropical weather. Tropical. She loves tropical weather. Tricky. This word is tricky to pronounce. Tricky. This word is tricky to pronounce. Timber. The workers carried heavy timber. Timber. The workers carried heavy timber. Temple. There are many temples in India. temple. There are many temples in India. All right, so these are 25 words. Hope you would become more familiar with the Indian T sound. And in the next video, we'll be covering out P sound as well. Now, before we finish this video, I would like to know your suggestion in the form of comment. You can write down what do you exactly want me to present in the next video, because I really want to help you with such kind of Indian English phrases, pronunciation, or everything. So your comments, your suggestions will give you more energy